Hello everyone, welcome to GEEKERMAG. In today's video, we'll be discussing about Windows Store error 0xC0EA000A that appears whenever users trying to install apps from Microsoft Store on Windows 11 PC. But before we move forward, if you find this video useful in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages us in creating more similar videos. Microsoft Answer and Reddit is full of reports where users are reporting that whenever they try to install apps from Microsoft Store, downloading process start and later a dialog box with error message appear which reads something went wrong. We are aware of the issue and working to fix it. Try refreshing or come back later. With error code 0xC0EA000A. As per the reports, majority of the users who have purchased the new laptop running Windows 11 on it are seeing this error message. And if you landed on this video, then it's possible that you are also facing the same issue. Affected users also mentioned that performing basic troubleshooting like resetting Microsoft Cache and performing SFS scan fails to fix the issue. Fortunately, there is a solution that actually helps in fixing this issue. You need to perform in-place upgrade or repair install of Windows 11 on your affected PC. I have already created a detailed step-by-step instructions on how to do that. You will find the link in the description. And once you perform the steps covered in this post, your issue will be resolved. I have performed in-depth research on this issue and this is the only way to fix this annoying Microsoft Store issue. So give it a try. In case you are aware of any other solution that help in fixing the issue, then feel free to share in the comments as this will help other affected users. Also, if the solution shared by me isn't useful, then make sure to submit feedback about this issue on Feedback Hub. So that's all about this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notification about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.